Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة بديع السماوات والأرض وإذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون. Translation: Originator of heavens and the earth. When Allah decides a thing, He only says to it, be, and it is there. In the previous ayah, it was mentioned that Jews and Christians said that Allah had children. Also, the mushrikeen or polytheists said that Allah had children. And in this ayah, Allah says that Allah is Badi'u Samawati wal Ard, the originator of heavens and the earth. Ibda', from which Badi' come, means creation ex nihilum, meaning that there was nothing and Allah created something. So, Shah Waliullah in his book Hujjatul Balagha says that Allah has three basic actions, in which first is ibda', which means creation ex nihilum, and the second is takhliq, or creation from one thing, creating one thing from another, and the third is tadbir, which means management or arrangement. So these are the three basic actions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah creates things that were not present in any shape or form, and Allah just created that. And Allah also creates one thing from another. And the third is Allah then manages and arranges the things. So Allah does not need any offsprings. And when He decides for anything, He just say that be, and it is there. In this, Allah's absolute power is mentioned, and meaning that if Allah is not dependent on any tools or any resources to create anything, and only His will is enough to create a thing, so He does not need any assistance from anywhere. So children usually assist their parents, and when the parents die, they complete the job of the parents, or they carry the name of the parents, and Allah is free from all these needs. So it also becomes very logical that Allah does not need any offsprings, and only Allah's will makes things happen. So if we can understand that, we can understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not have any children, and He does not need any children, and whoever say that does a very, very big shirk and zulm. So let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran, and Allah save us from any big or small shirk. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.